In a world where technology evolves at a rapid pace, few industries are making as big of a splash as the humanoid robot sector. But who's leading this charge? It's not the US, Europe, or Japan, it's China. A recent surge in the development and deployment of humanoid robots in China has led to the country dominating the global market. In fact, China is projected to ship a staggering 90% of all humanoid robots worldwide by 2026. How did China achieve this level of success, and what does it mean for the future of AI and robotics? Stick around, because today we're diving deep into China's humanoid robot revolution. China's explosive growth in the humanoid robot market. Over the past few years, China's humanoid robot market has experienced exponential growth. As of 2025, Chinese companies are already shipping nearly 90% of the world's humanoid robots. To put that into perspective, these robots are making their way into a wide array of industries, from factories to hotels, and even urban cities. But how did China get to this point? The answer lies in a combination of government-backed funding, a thriving ecosystem of over 140 robotics companies, and the country's growing commitment to becoming the global leader in embodied AI. The role of government backing. A critical factor in China's dominance in the humanoid robot market is the strong backing from its government. Since late 2024, the Chinese government has allocated more than $26 billion to develop and support the robotics sector. This investment isn't just about money, it's a strategic move to push China to the forefront of global AI development. The government's vision is clear. They want to lead the world in the humanoid robot and embodied AI sectors within the next 5 years. This isn't just about creating machines for fun or novelty, it's about revolutionizing how work is done. Whether it's in manufacturing, hospitality, or even managing traffic and pedestrians in urban environments, China's robots are designed to improve efficiency and reduce costs across industries. The companies paving the way. Several Chinese robotics companies are at the forefront of this revolution. One of the most notable is Unitree Robotics. The company has rapidly grown to become a leader in the development of robots that mimic human movements. Their robots are not only being deployed in factories and offices, but they're also being used in industries such as healthcare and entertainment. Another key player is Agibot, which is making strides in humanoid robots designed for public spaces. Agibot's robots are already helping with traffic and pedestrian management in some Chinese cities, showcasing how humanoid robots can seamlessly integrate into our daily lives. Then, of course, there's Tesla's Optimus. Although Tesla is an American company, it's worth noting how it's leveraging Chinese supply chains to manufacture its humanoid robots. The Tesla Optimus robot, which was first unveiled in 2022, is designed to assist in factories and other industrial environments, showcasing the real-world applications of humanoid robots. With more than 140 robotics companies in China today, it's clear that this is just the beginning. The competition is fierce and the innovation is constant. But it's not just the companies themselves that are driving the growth. It's also the growing ecosystem of support. The ecosystem driving innovation. China's humanoid robot sector is a true ecosystem, where various elements work together to foster growth and innovation. The influx of venture capital has allowed companies to scale rapidly, and with over 140 companies in the field, the competition ensures that only the most innovative ideas rise to the top. Moreover, universities and research institutions in China are heavily involved in the development of humanoid robots. Research on AI, machine learning, and robotics is deeply integrated into academic programs, which ensures a continuous pipeline of talent into the industry. This ecosystem, combined with the government's financial backing, creates an environment ripe for groundbreaking innovations in robotics. China's strategic goals for the future. China's ambitions in humanoid robotics extend far beyond simply dominating the market. The country has a strategic vision to integrate robots into the fabric of daily life. This vision involves deploying humanoid robots not just in industrial settings but across society, from personal assistants in hotels to traffic management systems in cities. For example, some Chinese cities are already using humanoid robots to manage traffic, interact with pedestrians, and assist with public safety. This marks a significant shift in how robots are used. Rather than being relegated to specific tasks, They're being integrated into society at large, helping to manage some of the most complex systems humans rely on. The ultimate goal is for China to not only lead in humanoid robot production, but to reshape entire industries with the power of robots. This shift to embodied AI is set to revolutionize the world in ways we've only begun to imagine. Challenges and criticisms. However, it's not all smooth sailing for China's humanoid robot market. There are several challenges and criticisms that the country faces in its bid for global leadership. First, there's the issue of intellectual property. While China has been a powerhouse in the development and manufacturing of humanoid robots, some critics argue that the country's rapid growth in the sector may be fueled by the theft of intellectual property from other countries. This has raised concerns about the fairness of the competition and whether China's rise is due to its own innovations or the adaptation of others' technologies. Second, there are ethical concerns regarding the deployment of humanoid robots in public spaces. While robots can provide valuable assistance in many industries, their presence in our daily lives could raise questions about privacy, security, and human interaction. As these robots become more integrated into society, we'll need to consider the implications of having machines that can observe, interact, and even influence human behavior. Lastly, there's the issue of labor displacement. As robots take on more tasks, there's concern about job loss, particularly in industries like hospitality and retail. While robots may increase efficiency and productivity, they also have the potential to displace human workers, raising important questions about the future of work. What this means for the global robotics market. China's dominance in the humanoid robot market has significant implications for the global robotics landscape. With China controlling 90% of the market, it's clear that other countries will need to step up their efforts to compete. However, it's not just about producing more robots, it's about innovating in new ways that make robots more useful, efficient, and human-centric. As other countries, including the US and Japan, work to catch up, we'll likely see an increased focus on developing robots that can work alongside humans rather than replace them. In addition, we can expect to see more partnerships and collaborations between companies in different countries, as the global nature of the market requires cross-border cooperation. The future of humanoid robots is incredibly exciting, and China's role in shaping this future cannot be overstated. By 2026, China is set to dominate the market, shipping 90% of the world's humanoid robots. With over 140 companies pushing the boundaries of robotics, a $26 billion investment from the government, and a vision for embodied AI that extends far beyond industry, China is leading the charge into a new era of technology. But what does this mean for the rest of the world? As China continues to innovate, other countries will need to keep pace, whether by developing their own humanoid robots, collaborating with Chinese companies, or finding their own niche in this growing industry. What do you think about China's dominance in the humanoid robot market? Are you excited about the future of robotics, or do you have concerns? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech trends.